Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Iqra English School. I hope you all must be fine. And you know that this is your class 3rd NCERT EVS book Looking Around, and today we are going to read the chapter number 2, The Plant Fairy. So dear students, in this chapter we will read about the different parts of a plant, and we will read about the different plants and flower. You know that our world is full of so many different plants and flowers. Our world is very colorful. So as you are watching here, these are flowers, these are tree, these are herbs, this is the saffron plant, this is saffron flower, and all these so many plants. In this chapter we will read about the tree, about the shrub, climber, creeper, herbs and medicinal plant. So first of all, I want to tell you that there are so many different parts of a plant, such as root, stem, branches, flower, fruit and bud. So we eat all the different parts of a plant. We eat some root of a plant, we eat some leaf of a plant, we eat some fruit of a plant. So there are so many parts of a plant, and we eat different parts of a plant. So let's start the chapter, The Plant Fairy, chapter number 2. Last Sunday we went to a garden in the neighborhood. We played hide and seek, Chupan Chupai and Antakshari. We had a lot of fun. After some time, Didi said, "Let us play a new game today. We had played this game in the camp last year. We will become a plant fairy. The plant fairy will call out a name of something, and you all will have to touch it." It is the day of Sunday, and there are some children who has gone to the garden, and they are playing the hide and seek and Antakshari, and they are telling that they have played a game last Sunday that's name was the Plant Fairy. And what type of game is Plant Fairy? The plant fairy will call out a name of something, and you all will have to touch it. The game begins. Didi said, "The plant fairy asks you to touch a plant." At once all the children ran towards the plant. Here a girl that has become a plant fairy, and she ordered the other children that they are to touch the plant. Now every children will run to touch the plant. Let's see. Ammu held the marigold plant. Shabnam sat touching a jasmine plant. Michelle touched a mehndi bush, and their arm caught hold a neem tree and stood there. You're watching. This is the flower of marigold. This is Nibu plant, lemon. This is lemon plant. This is hibiscus. This is rose. This is jasmine, and all these plants are also called the shrubs. We will read in our chapter about this. Didi said, "Very good. Everyone has touched a plant. But have you noticed that all the plants are different from each other?" She said that, "Very good, you have touched the plant." But she is telling that you know that there are so many different types of a plant. Each plant is different from another. "Didi, you are also sitting on a little plant," said Shabnam. "Can you name the plant on which Didi was sitting?" The game started again. The plant fairy now said, "Touch a tree which has either a thick or thin trunk. Now again the plant fairy ordered the children to touch a thick or thin trunk. What is tree trunk? This is a tree trunk. The part of a tree that is upper side of the ground. After root, that is stem. So this is very thick plant. This is very thick. This is tree, and this is also a tree. So I will see you the picture of trees. But first, finish the chapter. The children ran again to touch the tree with thick or thin trunks. Have you seen a tree with a trunk as thick as the one shown in the picture? Michelle found the game very interesting. He thought how lucky the fairy was. She could order everyone around. Now I want to be the plant fairy, said Michelle. The children laughed aloud. A boy fairy. They were now ready to take order from the new plant fairy. When the plant fairy said to touch the thick or thin stem of a plant, trunk of a plant, so all the children ran and touched the plant like this, touched the thick trunk like this. Michelle found the game very interesting. That he said that now I will become the plant fairy. Then the other children laughed at him that a boy plant fairy. But they were ready to take the order from the new plant fairy. Michelle said, "Get me some leaves quickly. But remember, you are not to pick the leaf from the plant," said Didi. The children ran to collect the leaves which were lying on the ground. When Michelle said to get some leaves quickly, then their Didi ordered them, do not pluck the leaves from the plants, because that is very bad to pluck the flower or to pluck the leaves from a plant. That is why she said that do not pluck the leaves from the plant. You are to collect the leaf from the ground that were lying on the ground. So here we will see the parts of a plant. This is root. This is the root part of a plant. This is stem. The thick or thin part that is above the ground after root, that is called the trunk. And these are the branches of the plant. This is flower, this is bud, and these are fruits. So these are the parts of a plant. The trunk of some plants are very thick. These plants are called tree. So are you watching? This is the banyan tree. This is peepal tree, and there are so many different. This is mango tree, and there are so many different types of trees which trunk is so thick, that is called the trees. These are shrubs. There are so many types of a plant. Now we are telling you about the types of a plant. So this is the first type of a plant. This is tree. The next type of a plant is shrub. Shrub, you are watching that the shrub is the trunk of a shrub is not thicker and not is strong like trees, and this is stretched like shrubs, so such as rose, jasmine, hibiscus, lemon, and marigold. This type of plants are called shrubs. These are climbers. Some plants are there that cannot stand by own. That is why they are to take the support of any other thing. Then they grow. So these are purple grape. This is the plant of purple grape. This is a climber. This is bitter gourd. This is also a climber. Yes, friends, you are watching this house. This house is completely covered with a plant, and this type of plant is also called the climber. And I have already told you that the climbers are the plant that need support to grow. They need support of any tree or any house, then they grow. This is money plant. The money plant is also a climber, and it gets support. When it gets support, then it grows. It needs support of any stake or any wall or any tree too. These are creepers. These type of plants are called creepers. They creep on the ground. They are so weak. Their stem are so weak that they cannot grow upside. These type of plants are watermelon, bottle garden, pumpkin. Some plants are medicinal plants such as neem, aloe vera, ginger, tulsi. This is the leaf of the medicinal plant, tulsi, aloe vera and neem. Now let's read the remaining chapter. You are watching, there are so many different types, different color and different shapes of leaf. Do all the leaves have similar color, shape and margins? You are to ask, are you watching the leaves of same color, same shape and same margin? So the answer is no. The leaves are different from each other in margin, shape and color. Each and every leaf is different from each other in margin, shape and color. Dayaram said, I did not know that there were so many types of leaves. Look, some are round, some are long and some are triangular. Ammu said, they are of so many different colors as well. Some are light green and some are dark green. Some are even yellow, red and purple. There is one which is green but has white patches. Look, even the margins of these leaves are different from each other. Some leave straight margin, some have straight margins, some uneven. Some of these margins even look like a saw, said Shabnam. Ammu and Shabnam shouted together, we also want to be the plant fairy, said. Didi said, no, not today, maybe next Sunday. It is time to go home now. Here we have seen that there are so many different types of leaves. The margin of some leaf is straight, the margin of some leaves is uneven. This is the color of these leaves are different. So I will show you some leaf. This is the leaf, the margin is straight. This is the leaf, this is the margin is different from this leaf is different from this leaf. And there are two leaves, both are green but their green color is different from each other. This is saw shaped margin. This leaf is has saw shaped margin. And now I want to tell you something that is very important to you. This is the part of a plant. First of all, the plant grow with a root. This is root. The part that is under the ground, that is called root of a plant. That is called the root. This is the stem that is above the ground and that has become sometimes thick and sometimes very weak. This is called the stem. These are the branches of the trees. These are the leaf of the tree. This is the flower and buds and some fruits are there. So there are 6 parts of a plant: root, stem, branches, leaf, buds and flowers and fruits. And you know, dear student, that we eat root of some plants such as radish, carrot, onion, etc. We eat stem of some plants such as sugarcane, and we eat leaves of some plant such as coriander, fenugreek, spinach, and we eat buds and flower too, such as cauliflower, cabbage, and there are so many fruits that we eat, such as all the fruits come in the part of a plant. And instead of this, the brinjal, the tomato, all this, there are so many different types of vegetable that are the fruit plant of that are the fruit part of a plant that we eat. Now classification of the plant. Trees. Here we will know about trees. What are trees? The plant which have broad trunk with branches called trees, such as mango tree, apple tree and banyan tree. What are shrubs? Shrubs, the plant which are smaller than trees and bushy in appearance are called shrubs, such as rose plant, hibiscus plant and mogra plant. This is climber. The plant which grow up with some support are called climbers, such as money plant, bitter gourd and grapes. These are herbs. The plant which are smaller than bushes are called herbs, such as coriander, mint and spinach. These are creepers. The plants which creeps on the ground are called creepers, such as pumpkin, watermelon and bottle gourd. Essential elements for a plant. What are essential elements for a plant that the plant grow? For the plant grow, that is sunlight, air, water, soil and manure and fertilizer. Some more important points are leaves of different plants have different shape, size and margin. Most of the plants have green leaves, but plants like croton, beetroot have leaves of different colors. Some plants produce flower, whereas some are non-flowering plants. Some plants have medicinal properties like aloe vera, neem, tulsi, etc. So dear students, I hope that you understand and like this chapter. We have learned so many different things about the plant. There are so many parts of it. There are many parts of a plant and there are so many types of a plant, and we have discussed in this chapter. So I hope that you learn and understand. So dear students, we will meet in the next part, in the next chapter. Till then, have a nice day.